Okay, so if you've got Xero connected to the student management system and you want to send an invoice out, all you've got to do is click on Xero once you've connected it. Okay, and it's just in the menu on the left-hand side. You'll be able to then see this screen. When this screen pops up, all you've got to do is click New to create an invoice. So all you've got to do is fill out this section. So look for the student that you want to send the invoice out to. So in this case, I'll send it out to Test Me Out. Let's choose a date of the 1st of October. Let's choose a due date of 31st of October. Let's say they're doing a social media business course, so an unaccredited training program. Quantity 1, unit might be 50, account code. Now the account code must marry up to the account code that's in your Xero's chart of accounts. So I believe the usual sales one is just 200, but triple check that before you enter that in, okay? Because otherwise the information and data, once you do start to generate reports on Xero, is going to be all over the place. Once you're done, click create. Okay, you'll be able to see the information here. Now, just because the invoice is created doesn't mean that it's automatically sent to the student. To send it to the student, you've got to tick the invoice that you want to send out. So in this case, it's this one that I've just created here. And I click on the button that says email invoice. All right. Once I click this button, you'll see just up here, invoice sent. So where that pop-up appeared, that tells me that the invoice has now been sent. Okay, if you want to delete the invoice, or if you've made an error and you want to edit it, all you've got to do is click, again, tick the box and then click edit, make any changes you need to, and click update. All right, if you need to void the actual invoice, tick on the invoice again and click void. Just make sure that you're not just deleting invoices that you're not meant to be deleting. So if you've made an error, that's the only time you should be deleting, and your RTO should have its policies and procedures in place to make sure that you're not just deleting any invoice. Okay, so if you did need to, all you've got to do is click on the void button and it'll ask, are you sure you want to void this invoice? If yes, click delete, and then you'll see that the invoice is no longer in the table.